So Skype doesn't want us to connect there.
Not just Skype. Before this,
Mhm.
also, we have struggled a lot.
Yes, true that, true that. I was about to ask you how was your day, and I had this, phrase in my mind when Sunita would be asking me, "How is your day going on?" So I would be telling her it is kind of roller coaster for me.
Same here, same here. And it's very
Yeah.
tiring because
Yes.
my son got under the weather and then I took him to the doctors and then I went back and he need my attention. He needs my attention all the
Yes.
time.
Of course. Of
So
course.
very tiring. But then I was
Yes.
longing to talk with you, so I'm here.
Right. And in my case, it's like tomorrow, it's my niece's birthday. And my sister and I live on the same floor as you know. So
Mm-hmm.
I have promised her that I'll be at her service in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
So we are planning to go out and grab some stuff for decorations and all. So
Mm-hmm.
that's how I am trying to manage my classes, my sessions. I'm sitting here since 9:30.
Oh my God. Don't you feel
Yes,
tired?
I am. But when it comes to have these kind of session, especially today it was with you. So
Mm-hmm.
I think this is going to recharge my battery.
Uh-huh. That's great. So there is a lot of burden on my shoulders now.
No, no, no. You already have so many things to do. First,
Mm-hmm.
let me know how's your father? Is he recovering?
He's still in the hospital, but he's recovering like very slowly and steadily. It will take time
Hmm.
because it was a brain hemorrhage. Then it will
Oh,
definitely take a lot of
take
time.
time.
Hmm.
Of course.
But the good thing is that he's stable.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
condition is getting better day by day. So that's why we are at the peace of mind.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
that's why the topic of today's discussion came to my mind. That
Hmm.
was grief. That grief changes your perspective towards life. And
Yes.
that happened with me for the very first time. And I
Hmm.
thought it's a good thing to talk about because very rarely people talk about grief.
Yes.
All the time, people talk about happiness because they don't want
Absolutely.
sadness to cover their mind, right? Because it happens,
Hmm.
you know? So
Right.
that is
Right.
why. Hmm.
Actually, I also faced some situations. I guess similar situations. I also got to know something very severe about my mother's health, and I wasn't able to do anything. It was very difficult situation to deal with, right?
Mm-hmm.
Somehow, at the end of the day, when every I think goes well, then you feel that peace of mind. But yes, that very time, that very moment when you got to know something related with your parents or your maybe children, your near and dear ones, right? I think we become vulnerable at that time. And I also felt this kind of situation for the very first time. And what I felt that I had that I thought of that I am very strong, but actually it's not like that.
Hmm.
Easier, it's easy to say. I mean, keep
Hmm.
it.
Right.
I just want to be very simple. It's easy to preach these kind of things. Be strong, be positive. But
Mm-hmm.
actually, when you face some adverse situations, it's not easy to exhibit that unwavering equanimity. It's not easy at all because I also faced this
Hmm.
kind of situation. But at the end of the day, I can tell you that yes, now I know how to not be panic, and I learned to surrender myself completely to that supreme power.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, now I know that we cannot control anything.
Right.
Cannot control anything, right? Nothing is in our hands. We plan for our future and we don't even know what is going to happen in the very next moment, right? So now I think I am trying to be more humble, more kind. I don't want to hold any grudges against
Mm-hmm.
anyone. So these are certain changes which I can feel, and I'll be elaborating. But
Mm-hmm.
I also want to know your experience.
Mm-hmm. Like I would say when I visited hospital and after a very long time, like before this, I was in the hospital when I delivered my baby, and after that, this was the case when I visited hospital after a long time. I've seen that it was just not my father, but there were many patients out there. Like people are suffering a lot. I was not aware of that because I'm confined to my certain boundary,
Mhm.
right? But when you
Hmm.
go out, you see people suffering a lot. So that also changes your perspective. It's like my father was there. So we are quite young to handle the situation, right? We can do that. That is something we
Hmm.
can cope with. But I've seen elderly people also. I don't know why they were there. They there are chances that their kid must be hospitalized, right? So they were also suffering a lot. They were struggling with things like they were sleeping one by one on each other's lap.
Hmm.
So that was very painful to see. Like people are suffering a lot, right? And when I
Hmm.
hit the rock bottom, that was also very unexpected situation for me. And you get waves of emotion. You don't, you know, you
Yes.
just can't figure out anything, right? I was also
Right.
a kind of person who believed in being happy all the time. Just be happy all the
Hmm.
time. Don't let negativity touch you. And I used to say all
Negative.
these things in my videos as well. But when you actually face it, all these things goes into air, right? It
Right.
all go into
Hmm.
air, and I don't know, you just have to face the situation, right?
Hmm.
And all the time we console people who are in grief that just be happy. These grief and sadness, these are inevitable, and we want them to be happy. We want them to be not. We want them to not to think about it a lot. But do you think it works? Just saying all these things.
It doesn't. It doesn't. It is, as I mentioned, that when you are happy, when you don't feel these kind of situations, then it is always easy to preach these kind of things. As I just mentioned, be positive,
Mm-hmm.
keep yourself positive, and believe in God. Have
Mm-hmm.
faith in God. But nothing works then when you
Mm-hmm.
actual face, because see, there are certain scenarios. If you are losing a job, that's a different case. If you are not getting married, if you are getting divorced, all these situations are different. But when you face that fear of losing someone you love deeply, right,
Mm-hmm.
then nothing works, and you feel so helpless that you can't do anything. You can't do anything, right?
Right, right.
And it's something that is ineffable. But yes, after see we just faced that fear. We were lucky enough that we just faced that fear. But sometimes I think of so many people. Recently there is a famous YouTuber who lost her young child. I guess he was 15 or 16 years old in a road accident. Actually, both the parents are not certain what happened with him, because they were not with him, they were somewhere else, and they got the news that their child is no more. You know what? I could not sleep that night.
Right, right, right.
So, I- what to do? We can't do
Mm-hmm.
anything. But see, I try to. Sometimes I try to think, or I whenever I see her videos on my channel, it makes me. It gives me goosebumps actually. So there are so many people who are facing such bad situations in their lives, and we just pretend to be strong enough, but we are not. I am not. I tell you, I am not. When it comes to my parents, when it comes to my son, to my husband, I think I am the weakest person. I am very timid. I don't have any fear of. Of in terms of my when it comes to me, I don't have any fear. But yes, I am so protective, and I am so timid when it comes to my family members. So
I
that's
think we
me.
all are. We all are.
Yes.
Earlier I used to escape from these kind of situation. I knew that
Yes.
we are going to
Hmm.
face such situation in future because our parents are getting older. They will get some illness. Like
Yes.
we can't escape from all these things. And
Hmm,
whenever
hmm,
I
hmm,
used
hmm.
to, whenever any such video pops up on my screen, I used to skip that because I just don't want to see such videos. And then it
Right.
covers your mind. You think about your
Right.
family. But how
Mm,
long you'll escape?
you will.
One day
Then
it
this
hits
is
you. Mm.
see what is the reality of life? Death. This is the reality of life. We all know, but we don't want to go to that
Mm-hmm.
zone. That's it, right? And sometimes I read some lines that grief may knocks you down, but it helps you to rise stronger and wiser. I don't believe that happens because we don't have any choice.
Mm-hmm.
That's how, right? So to that it gives you a sense of understanding some situations. We become more kind and benevolent, but the thing is it's not easy to face those situations, and no one wants to face these situations, right? Because grief, if I talk about specifically this word, so it is related with that fear of losing someone. That's my perspective,
Someone or
right?
something
And
important.
something, yes, something doesn't matter to me if
Mm-hmm.
it comes in like losing any materialistic stuff. I don't really bother about those things because we can earn money, we can make money, we can purchase things, but we can't get those people alive, right?
Mm-hmm.
We because I lost my mama ji when he was in his I guess 40s. I think I was too young that time. I could clearly remember that day. And now he was so kind, he was so he was so alive in terms of his nature. I missed him, but you know what, we can't see him. I can't see him anytime now. Where the people go, what is all this about universe and the reality, right? When I try to think these kind of things, I become restless. It's not easy to to adapt or to accept these things, that one day we have to face these kind of situations. We see our parents are growing older, right? This is the most painful thing for me when I see my father now. He used to be so energetic, right, physically strong. Now I see he's growing older and now he's no more that much powerful. Recently, I visited with my father to the hospital, and now he gets confused while paying or while having interaction with doctors. So I was the one who was taking the charge, and I wasn't feeling good because I can't. My heart is not ready to admit this thing that my parents are growing older. My mother recently went through a surgery. So these are things which are not easy to discuss. Actually, these are not easy to express what we feel. We know the ultimate truth. We all know the ultimate truth, but we don't want to go there. That's it. But till like how long? One day
Mm-hmm.
we have to feel, right? This is the bitter reality of life.
Right.
So yes, now I try not to bother much about other people's behavior. Now I
Mm-hmm.
don't complain much about my past. I try to be content. I try to be positive, and I try to lend my helping hand to people. And I don't complain now. I'm learning not to complaining. I'm learning to live happily whatever I have. I don't want to purchase so many things now. So I can see these changes. I used to be very blunt. I tell you, I used to be very blunt. And एक personality होती है ना, when you just face any situation, है ना, you just jump into any conversation or any situations. क्या क्या हुआ? How did you dare to do this? But now
Mm-hmm.
I just take that step back. I see myself growing uh, cool and composed as a cool and composed personality, and I don't hold grudges. This is what I can tell you proudly. I don't hold grudges
Mm-hmm.
against anyone, because it is we tend to, as human, we tend to have some grudges, some complaints with our near and dear ones, with our
Mm-hmm.
relatives. Now I don't hold any grudges against anyone. Second thing, I try to have a very cordial relation with some people whom there were some kind of clashes. So I take that step. I took that initiative
Mm-hmm.
to hold a conversation, and I am trying to maintaining cordial relationship with people. That's how
Hmm. And I
life
also feel that everything
has
happens for a reason. Like
reason.
life is made in such a way
Mhm.
that you have
Yes,
to experience everything, and everything
yes.
happens for a reason. And you become empathetic when you experience
Hmm.
such things, right? You don't
Hmm.
want to experience it again, or you don't want other people to experience it at least. You want
Absolutely.
to just, make their life a little better, right?
Little better.
Mm.
What I
And
believe we are blessed. Sorry,
Mhm.
huh?
No, no, you
Continue.
go ahead. You complete your point.
Actually, what I believe, we are blessed that we are financially that much strong that we can afford hospitals, treatment, the expenses, all the expenses. There are people who are not financially strong, so it enhances their struggle, right? So that's what I also observe, that yes, I really feel blessed in so many things, right? We can have anything in no time, because in today's world, money, I think money is everything. We can't deny this. Money
Yes.
is everything, right?
Mm.
So if you are influential, if you are powerful, people give you that respect, value, right? If you visit any hospital, you have any strings to pull, you are going to get to see the doctor a little bit early, right? You are going to get that privilege. So these things also help me to change my outlook towards life. So willingly or unwillingly, we need to be influential enough if we want to live a happy life. Second thing, what I learned, that if you are at that stage, if you are powerful, so try to help people. Don't be arrogant. Don't be selfish, right? Try to help people. So that's
Mhm.
what I learned, and I try to help people now as much as I can.
That's very
uh,
nice.
yes, that's also one of the lessons I learned.
Mhm. And when you talked about money, so I would
Mm.
say earlier I used to say that money doesn't bring you happiness and we should not run after money. But again, it changed
Nice.
my outlook towards money
Yes.
because when your loved one is in the hospital,
Mhm.
you never know. Money just flows like water. You'll not
Hmm.
even realize. So
Yeah.
now I don't want to leave any source from where money is, the money is flowing
Yes.
to me. Like the YouTube
Yes.
as well. I don't feel like having conversation these days, but I am trying
Hmm.
to be there on the YouTube as well so that
That.
the constant
Hmm.
flow of money would be there.
Money. Yes, true that.
Mhm.
This is the reason why I am sitting here and why I conduct my paid sessions, because we can't deny this fact.
Mhm.
Money, I think money plays a crucial role. Money is everything. If you go out, no one is going to ask you to have a drop of water without money, right?
Mm.
And people value you
Right,
if
right.
you are powerful, that if you
Mhm.
are wealthy. That's the thing, no? Recently I read a quote that it was in Hindi, that when someone asks you, or when people ask you what you do, in a way they judge you how much respect you deserve. So it was in Hindi, but again, this is the bitter reality of this
Hmm.
today's society. Actually, today's
Hmm.
society, and I have also encountered so many times when I go downstairs, generally in my society. So people observe which brand of car you have, right? And the kind of furniture you have in your home. So yes, I have
Mhm.
experienced these guys situation. Even
Mhm.
which school your children study
Mhm.
in, that also matters for people.
Mhm.
So if
Mhm.
you are able to enroll your children to a renowned school, so very proudly we also tell very proudly, yeah, my son
Mhm.
goes to this school. So
Mhm.
this is nothing but that power of money, that's it.
But these societal expectation comes later. But before this, when you want to help your loved one and when you want to help others, When you realize that helping others
Yes.
is also one of the good
Hmm.
deeds, then also you need money at times. You can't simply help
Exactly.
them the other ways,
No, no,
but you
no.
will need money. Like today,
Exactly.
I'm
But
at my home and
hmm.
my brothers, my uncles are with my father. So I try to help them with the money only because I can't be
Hmm.
there all the time because of my kids, family responsibilities. So I feel little satisfaction in my heart that
Hmm.
at least
That
I'm
you are
trying
doing.
to help.
Mm-hmm. True
Mm.
that. See, I always tell people that I conduct sessions for free of cost for those who are needy and who genuinely want to learn this language. But at the same time, what I tell that charity also needs money, right?
True, true.
You can't go for charity without money. So
Mm-hmm.
if you have that much to invest to spend, then only you can go for charity and kind of stuff. So I
Mm-hmm.
have experienced so many things, but yes, again at the end of the day, I just at the right what I felt that what I feel that. Try to be a good human being. That's it. Try to stay in touch with your roots. And yes, we cannot be emotional all the time. We need to be practical. I think this is crucial, right? You need to be practical. So invest your money and spend your money wisely. And don't live your life for other people in that race of showing off. That's what
Mm-hmm.
I do now. I don't want to live my life for other people to just show off. I just want to invest my money so that like it's they say that I want to save my money for a rainy day. You
Mm-hmm.
never know which sort of situation you are going for to face. So money can only help you and your good deeds. The
Mm-hmm.
blessing of people, those people whom you help sometimes. So
Mm-hmm.
blessings also count. This is again I touched the this topic what I encountered when my mother was not doing well. You know what? I haven't shared this thing with anyone. So one day, one evening, I was totally shattered, devastated. I was not finding a way. And my brother was here, my mother was here. And what I did, I just sat in front of my temple and I cried a lot. I cried a lot because I was it was blank. I wasn't able to find out how we are going to face this scenario, right? So I cried a lot, and then eventually I just told to myself that now from now onwards I'm going to surrender completely to that supreme power, to Lord Shiva and Hanumanji. And the next morning came with that silver lining. And you know what? Within some hours, we found all the ways, and we were so relieved, so relieved. So sometimes when you go to भगवान जी बोलूंगी मैं तो when you go to supreme power, you know what? Just try this. Surrender to God completely, and don't doubt. Don't doubt. That's what you will find a way definitely. And now I make sure to be regular with my prayers.
Right. And this is
Yes, there.
also one of the important thing that you have to be regular. It's not about that
Yes.
just one day
Ah,
that you are
right, right.
getting in front
Mm.
of your God, in your
Yes,
worst time only. You have to be
right, right.
regular.
That's the thing. That's the thing. So that is how we need, because we are very selfish when
Mhm.
we are facing some adversities and then we go to God, right?
Mm.
अभी हमें चाहिए सब कुछ, and we cry and do these kind of things. So now I make sure that I'm going to be regular with my prayers, and I'm teaching this thing to my son also to be regular with whatever he chants, be it Hanuman Chalisa or anything, and try to surrender yourself to completely to God, to that supreme power. But yes, be very cautious, be very careful with your actions encountered. So try to help people. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. You were actually breaking up.
Try to help. Okay, so try to
Mhm.
help people as much as you can. If you can't help anyone, don't don't do something bad. Okay, be very careful with your thoughts and with your actions, because our thought create our reality. That's
Mm-hmm.
the truth. Okay, so try to be a good human being.
Hmm.
That's what
In
I
simple
want to
words.
say. Yes, simple words. Yes,
Right.
try to be a good human being, good soul. That's it. It is
Hmm.
going to work for you.
Hmm.
Definitely, definitely.
Right, right.
Because blessings play a crucial role. If you get the blessings of people, no, they
Mm-hmm.
add value to your life.
Definitely. I also believe in that. And when you talked about God, then I would also say that in your hard times, spirituality actually gives you a lot of
Yes.
strength to deal with
Strength.
these kind of situation. But on and off,
Hmm.
definitely whenever somebody would talk about the times, then you will definitely feel sad about it. But again, when you will lean on spirituality, then you feel a little better,
Hmm.
right? Because
Yes.
that
Yes.
loss cannot be replaced. It will always be there.
No.
You have to live with it, right?
Yes.
So
That's
that
true. That's true.
happens. And these
Hmm.
days,
But I
many
think.
people are aware about it.
Yes, right. And see, now we know the fact that we nothing is permanent here.
Hmm.
Everything is ephemeral, right? And we know the ultimate truth. But yes, we don't want to face that untimely death. That's what, in very clear words, no?
Hmm.
This is actually unbearable when you have to face someone's untimely death. So that's loss we no one can replace. And yes, no one want to face this kind of situation. But
Hmm.
again, how can we forget about those soldiers who are fighting just to save us. And every day we watch news, one or the other soldier, right? They are sacrificing their lives on border, and there are so many other road accidents. We recently, I guess, recently it's everyday's news when we watch those news about overspeed, and then how young people they are losing their lives. So no one have that idea how their parents are going to live,
Right, right.
right? Someone is pursuing MA or MBA or MBBS NEET,
Hmm.
and there are बोलते हैं ना दुनिया में कितना गम है. So
Hmm.
true that. मतलब we are so blessed in terms of so many things. So that's what the message of the conversation, that be a good soul, and try to be a helpful person also. That's it. Don't hold grudges.
Hmm.
Don't go into those emotions of jealousy and resentment kind of stuff.
Hmm.
Just mind your business. And if you can't help people, don't be, I'm not getting the word, don't try to put anyone or under the bus, or don't humiliate anyone, don't harm anyone. That's
Hmm.
what we can say. That's it.
Hmm.
This is the gist of
Hmm. Live and
my
let live.
session.
Live and let live, right?
That's it. As simple as
Hmm.
that. Yes, live
Hmm.
and let live. But people don't understand this. आज की लाइफ में if we
Again, your voice is breaking
watch
up.
news or read newspaper, we get to know sometimes just okay. I think there is kind of network or
Hmm.
connectivity issue. So fine.
Could you
No,
speak? Uh, Come again?
yes, I'm. Mm-hmm. Now, am I audible?
Hmm. You're audible now. Another
Not.
thing that I want to
Hmm?
add, that
Okay.
grief pinches different people differently, right? So
Yes.
it's just that you have to try to be little practical, as you said, right? Or just
That's
keep
it.
yourself away from the situation for a little while, or get busy in something. That is also one of the ways
Hmm.
you can be away from that kind of situation, because you can't change something
Hmm.
happened.
Hmm, hmm.
That's happened. You can't change it,
You can't change.
right? If something is in
Yes.
control, just try to
It's
find
necessary.
solutions.
Yes, and it's necessary to be practical.
Hmm.
The more you are going to emotional, the more you will trouble yourself. That's it.
And your
Because
family too.
I am. Yes, I am very sensitive and emotional also, but at the same time, I am practical also. But you know what? Again, when it comes to certain things, you forget to be practical. But yes, we can work on
Hmm.
this thing. We can adapt certain things. It's a kind of exercise. You need to do it regularly
Mm-hmm.
to think in that, to have that pragmatic approach towards life, right? Because Gita teaches us the same. And when you hear satsang or kind of stuff, so every guru tells us to be
Mm-hmm.
away from moh and maya, right?
Right, right.
Though we are in that grihastha ashram, we can't skip these things from our life, but yes,
Mm-hmm.
we can invest our time
Mm-hmm.
gradually, right? So many times I tell people why I am having these kind of conversation, or why I created my channel, why I take a paid session. I'm just investing for that age where I know I will feel alone at
Mm-hmm.
certain point of my age, right? Because this is the age where we are the center of attraction. We are the captain of the ship. Everyone comes to us, be it husband, kids, everyone needs us. But when your kids grow up, they are settled in their lives, husbands are always busy doing one thing or the other. As women, we feel alone, isolated, or left out. So I don't want to have that feeling, and I don't want to impose myself on anyone,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that's why I'm investing for my future. Again, I'm breaking up, right?
No, no, it's fine right now. I
Okay.
think
Okay.
that were, very nice insight from yours, and you are quite experienced. You are elder than me, so see you as an inspiration, actually. I learned a lot of things from you. That's why I'm always eager to talk with you. And there was this another thing that I wanted to talk about, that whatever happened to us, it depends on
Mhm.
our previous deeds as well. So let's take that
Yes.
up in another session, and we can
Mhm.
stretch it for
Right,
long
right.
as well,
Mhm.
because it's quite a deep topic,
Deep topic. Right, right,
right?
right.
So I think we have a
We
lot
will
of
discuss.
takeaways from today's session, and people will
Yes.
also learn from it, right? And we
Right.
have all our heart and condolences for all the people who are going
Yes.
through some or the other thing,
Right.
right?
True
Hmm.
that. Yes. And one more thing, I also inspire you a lot the way you speak. And I try to speak in that way because I speak 19 to dozen. I speak very fast. So I'm working on my speed. I try to be little slow.
Hmm.
So that's what I am learning from you. So I want to
That's
tell
great.
you. So
That's
yes.
great. I am feeling happy about it. Great,
No,
great,
that's
great.
true. So just
Okay,
take care of
then.
yourself. Have rest now because
Mhm.
you also are having a quite difficult time. Your little one is not doing well. So just
Mhm.
take a nap now, right? And leave everything to God.
Right,
Everything
right,
is going to settle down very soon, very soon.
right, right. And it feels like you are my elder sister when
Oh,
you,
wow. So
because I don't
sweet.
have any. I am the eldest one in the
Oh,
family.
wow. So, okay. And I'm the youngest
Mm.
one. Can you imagine? I'm the youngest one.
Oh,
Yes, but
okay.
I can only tell you whenever you feel a little low, I'm just a message away, right?
Hmm.
We can only do this thing, you know? We can only share our feelings. We can listen to each other. That's how I guess humanity works.
Hmm.
And so anytime you feel low, you can talk to me. Just drop a message. I'll be there.
Thank you so much for that. It means a lot. Okay,
Now
then
take care.
thank you, and you too take care. Okay, and let's wrap
Bye
this
bye.
up. We'll meet you very soon.
Hmm.
Okay, bye.
Sure. Okay then. Bye bye.